Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to be explaining what a bundle is. Bundles in Memecoin trading are very important because bundles are one of the fastest ways traders actually get trapped without even realizing it. So you've probably seen this before. You know what I mean? A coin, this is a perfect example of a bundle, to be fair, but you've seen this before. A coin launches, it pumps up really fast, and then everything looks nice, perfect, whatever, and then it just collapses. It just collapses into the dirt. Yeah, people call it a rug, sometimes it isn't, but more time it's called a bundle. Okay, so what a bundle is basically multiple wallets that are controlled by the same person / team. So basically on chain it looks like there is a lot of holders, but in reality it's just one big holder across multiple wallets. And basically the main reason why bundles exist is because people want to basically control a large supply of the token. Say if one wallet had, I don't know, 30% of the coin's tokens, you wouldn't want to buy the coin because you think, okay, well, that person could just nuke the chart 30% just in one sell. So what people like to do is basically distribute their coin holdings into multiple wallets, so it doesn't look like, you know, they're holding like a large supply, but when in actual fact they actually are. So why do bundles exist? Greed. People like to be greedy. People like to extract the most amount of money, which is fair enough, but still I believe bundles are one of the big things that are ruining like this meme coin space, but that is a topic for another day. Basically what they do is they buy like, you know, 10 to 40% of the supply of the coin, wait for price movement to go upwards, aka you and all the other dumb traders to buy into the coin, and then when the price goes up, well, it's time to exit. It's time to exit. And basically bundles are just getting so much worse because now there's bots involved and they can just extract money ridiculously, like more efficiently. But anyway, now you know what a bundle is. Let me explain how to identify bundles the right way. Okay, first off, you want to go down to the bottom right and you want to go to token information, and as you can see it says 22% bundled. I can't lie, on Axiom it's not that accurate. What I do use to check the bundles is GMGN. It's another trading terminal, and that has the most accurate bundle metrics. But also so yeah, 22%. Okay, fair enough, but to have a little deeper look is you want to go on to holders, and you see this little bubble here. You click onto it, and these are the bubble maps of, bloody hell, look at that. That is what you call a disgusting bubble. This is a bundle and a half. You click on it. Okay, cluster supply 23%. Okay, so as you can see, this cluster holds 23% of the coin supply in multiple different wallets, which is just a red flag. If you see something like this, you don't wanna enter the coin because they can just nuke the chart differently, and you know, it's just not good. Also, you have the inside X, basically the same thing. Faster 100x, basically the same thing. I do like to use the bubble maps. I feel like it's the most reliable, to be fair. I've never really tried Cable Spy before, but anyway, yeah, that is how you kind of see the bundles on obviously the bubble maps. Very good and very useful as well, because you know, you can see 1 2 3 4, see how many wallets are connected, all of that good stuff. This is what you need to be checking before you actually enter the trade as well. Also another way that you can check if a coin is bundled is just looking at the chart. As you can see here, you've got this big leg up. This isn't just one wallet, obviously, but this could be multiple wallets controlled by one person, because this is just a leg up, and this looks so unhealthy. Look, just a square, just, you know, disgusting. And basically this whole leg controls all of this, and this is what I don't like about, you know, bundles and stuff, is they have so much control over the chart that, you know, you are basically at the mercy of the bundlers, because you know, you can't really control the chart yourself, or you know, it's not really that fair. You know what I mean? Like you're basically just at the mercy of the bundlers if you do buy a bundled chart. Never buy a bundled chart. And also another thing that Axiom has implemented as well is basically you can go onto the token holders, and this little symbol here, you hover over it, and basically it tells you if this wallet is bundled. Look, bundled. Majority of these holders are bundled, so I would not invest into this coin, regardless if it's a nice coin to invest in. Do not invest into this coin. So yeah, that is another way to check if a coin is bundled as well. And yeah, that is basically it. If this video did help you out, please subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, all of that good stuff. And until next time, it's been your boy. I'm out.